Hey queens! So today I'm going to install some natural hair extensions from Crown Her Kinks. The clip-ins come in different widths. You get 2, 3, and 4 clip wefts and extra clips. The hair is a majestic curl and it's 20 inches in length. Don't forget to read your hair care tips before installing. Now let's get started. I decided I wanted minimal leave out, so I cornrowed my hair and sectioned off the front. I started from the bottom and just worked my way up. You can pre-measure the clip-ins or you can just do it as you go along. They're super easy to put in and take out. So if you make a mistake, just unclip and start over. Now, as you're adding the clip-ins, you do want to constantly check the back of your head just to make sure there's not too much space in between the clip-ins so that you can't see the braids. I wound up using 3 bundles in total to cover my entire head. Now they're nice and full, it's time to undo the leave out. I'm gonna go in and use a detangling spray and some hair gel just to blend my hair in with the clip-ins. I was immediately impressed by the texture match. These clip-ins are the truth. They're soft, they're full, easy to put in, easy to take out. I was even more blown away with how many styles I was able to try. From defined and sleek to body yaddy yaddy. Thanks, Crown Her Kinks.